we are heading down to a car meet down in the Gold Coast. We haven't been down here for ages, haven't we, Sarah?
It's probably been 6 months.
It's been ages. And today is I think it's a Lush meet that's down at, I don't know where it is. It's at Ashmore. So we're going to head down there. We got Max behind us, and you can't see him. He's like miles behind me because he's in a slow XR8. Anyway, we will probably catch up with you once we're down there, and once Max finally catches up with us. You're doing those typical white girl vlog things. Why? What's the point, Sarah?
Wow, we're going to Gold Coast. Wow. I'm going to upload that to my next makeup tutorial.
I'm like 200 or 5.
Don't do that. God damn. Royal crew represent, Aiden. Royal crew represent. How good's Macca's right now, Max? Max chucks one chip. We got the whole of Gold Coast down here, mate. Like, chuck one back in front of that chick over there. Huh? Go on, do it.
Oh, he caught it in midair.
Oh, I recorded that too. Oh, I was going to film it.
Oh, it's like quite through that.
Who wants it? They're not game yet, so I know what's going to fucking do. I want a pet. He's game.
Don't try to grab it.
Come closer. Come here. Good game now. Oh! Looking sad in my face. Fuck you.
I hear a tail moving, man. You know, you can just hear something, but you can't feel it. You know, when you just hear something, you can't feel it. When a wide body BRZ comes to a meet. Oh my god! Is it turbo? Is it turbo? Turbo? Wide body, turbo? Is that legal? Bro, is that legal? No. Dude, is that turbo? Oh yeah, check him out. Oh fuck yeah, look, have you guys heard about the wide body 86 over here? Look at it, fucking it's amazing. That's a freaky looking zombie, guys, look out. We're in the fucking Walking Dead now. Look at it.
Oh, here's people.
Yeah. It's Bran! Okay, so I gotta show you a car. You gotta guess how much it is. Oh, by the way, guys, we made it. Everyone say hi to Brent. Hi, Brent. So right here we have a black R34 GDR and an R32 GDR. Now, Sarah, how much is the black one worth?
80,000?
Keep going.
100?
Yeah, just over 100,000.
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
I don't get it.
You will understand it. And they're probably worth about 40,000-ish. Oh, it's so cute! I don't know. That is clean as. Oh. Sarah, look at the wheels.
I feel like if the police come, I'm just gonna be like, okay, you just don't even know the half of the people's cars are. Go get them instead of us, because we're doing nothing now.
That's exactly right.
Just point them in the direction.
Three clean Subarus.
If you just.
I love this colour so much. I've never seen it before. Psychedelic. That's what it's called. Psychedelic. This one's got the same colour again. The psychedelic wrap. I can only imagine what this would look like in the day. And hardly anyone's taking videos of it, so I'll quickly give you guys like a once around. This is going to look so cool once it's done. Tandem wide body S15. Pretty neat colour too. Oh yeah, because he hasn't got the wheels for it yet. It'll look good once it's done. Sarah, do you like these?
What?
I was thinking about one of these as well. It's disgusting. Wow. You would rather walk everywhere. Wow. Don't know if any of you guys have seen Brandon's car yet. This is Brandon's B series. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm loving the fitment. So Sarah's starting to like this one, and especially in this colour. I kind of like it too. However, it's just not as good. It's like, oh yeah, the colour of this BRZ is so good. I just love the colour of the BRZ for sure. And of course you got Max's amazing parking skills over here. Well done, mate. Thumbs up. So this right here, Rick Moore's car, he's been an absolute major supporter of the channel. Well done, mate. This is his mint Seduce XR6. Yeah, I know, I like it, hey. Oh dude, I love the colour.
Take you for a drive, mate. We're just gonna go out on more cruises, that's all.
Oh, we'll see. If I got time tonight.
Yeah, sure.
That's mint.
Oh, Euro slut.
Look at it. Of course it says Euro slut. Euro slut. Have you seen the other one that says send nudes? So good. Beautiful Evo. That is mint too. Stanza. Oh. Okay, we gotta go have a look at this. The dream one day. I'm trying to convince Sarah to let me buy one of the RX-7s. And guess what, Sarah? It's one of the cars that go.
I was looking for the rotary one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Shit.
So good.
See, I'm learning.
It is. You're doing well. Thought I should come and show Sarah the Supra as well. That's XR8 on D-shaped steelies too. That's cool. What do you reckon of that one? If it wasn't cracked up and paint faded.
I just don't like them in general.
You don't like them. That's okay, because neither do I.
Good. I love them.
What about that? The box? Yeah, no? No, yeah?
Yeah.
So what's everyone's incredible thoughts on the meat so far?
Oh, shit, sorry.
I thought you were talking to us.
Oh, it was?
No, I didn't realise you were talking to us.
I am talking.
Your windscreen's fogging up.
Yeah.
Getting a bit hot in here.
It's getting hungry.
So don't take off all your clothes.
Getting so hot, I take my clothes off.
I can get copyrighted for this. We gotta sing really badly to not get copyrighted.
Especially when
It's getting hot